If you're someone who values privacy, faster internet speeds, or just wants to explore new VPN tools, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful, lightweight, and completely free VPN app for Android devices. It's called MahsaNG. MahsaNG is an open-source project built by an independent developer and is based on the well-known WARP protocol, but with several custom enhancements to improve both speed and stability. Whether you're looking for a secure connection while browsing or simply want to access online content more freely, this tool could be a great solution. I've personally tested it, and the results are impressive, especially considering it's free and community-driven. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into how to download, install, configure, and test MahsaNG VPN, step by step. Step 1. The first thing we need to do is get the app installed on your Android device. If MahsaNG is available on the Google Play Store, you can download it directly from there. Just open the Play Store, search MahsaNG VPN, and tap Install. If it's not available on the Play Store in your region, don't worry. You can still download it safely through the browser. Open any mobile browser, like Chrome. Type and search for sshudp.online. Tap on the official link from the search results. Once you're on the site, look for the free VPN section. Find MahsaNG in the list and tap Download. Once the APK is downloaded, tap to install it. If prompted, allow installation from unknown sources in your device settings. Now the app should be ready to use. Step 2. The first time you launch it, you may see a few permission prompts. Tap Allow if the app asks for notifications or VPN permissions. Tap Confirm to move into the main interface. Now let's customize the language settings for better navigation. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or dots. Navigate to Settings. Scroll to the bottom until you see the language option. You can choose Auto. This will match your device's language. Simplified Chinese or Traditional Chinese if you prefer. Once done, go back to the main screen.
Step 3. On the main screen, you'll see a field with a verification code. Enter the code exactly as it appears. Tap the Submit or Confirm button to load the latest list of available VPN nodes, servers. Once the servers are displayed, tap Test Latency. This allows the app to ping each server and check response speed. After the test completes, tap the Sort button. This will list the servers with the lowest latency at the top. Tip: lower latency usually means faster and more stable performance, so always aim for one of the top few servers listed. Step 4. Tap the V icon or similar Connect icon next to your preferred server node. You'll be asked to grant permission for VPN access on your device. Tap Allow. If the connection is successful, you'll see a connected message or icon, confirming that your internet traffic is now routed securely through MahsaNG. You're now connected to the VPN. Step 5. You can use speed testing apps like Speed Test by Ookla or Fast.com. Run a quick test while connected to the VPN. Note the download, upload, and ping results. If you find the speed slower than expected, don't worry, you can. Tap Get Servers again to reload the list. Retest latency. Choose a different server with a lower ping. This trial and error helps you find the best node for your location and network conditions. Final thoughts and summary. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed MahsaNG, configured basic settings, connected securely to a fast VPN server, tested performance to ensure smooth browsing. MahsaNG is an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance privacy, improve internet performance, or just try out something new in the world of VPN apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel. Share it with your friends or family who may benefit from using a secure VPN. And make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more VPN tutorials, privacy tips, and tech how-tos. Have any questions, problems, or tips of your own to share? Drop them in the comments section. I always try to respond and help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and connected.